Gamers still believe these 5 lies, and one of them probably got you. You upgraded your PC, chased higher FPS, bought better graphics, and somehow gaming still felt exactly the same, because some gamer beliefs sound true until you actually think about them. And trust me, don't skip the last lie, that one hits differently. Gamers are obsessed with FPS numbers, 60, 120, 240, 360, and suddenly, people start acting like 180 FPS is unplayable. Here's the truth, 60 to 120, huge difference, but 240 to 360, for most people, not nearly as dramatic. Some gamers chase FPS so hard, they forget to enjoy the actual game. Great graphics look amazing, but graphics alone don't make great games. Minecraft, Roblox, even simple indie games keep proving the same thing. People remember gameplay, not individual shadows. People have been saying this for years. Single player is dead, multiplayer is the future. And then another massive story game releases and sells millions. Single player games keep hearing they're dead and keep refusing to die. This one destroys wallets. Some gamers think better gear automatically means better gaming. New keyboard, expensive mouse, high-end monitor, crazy RGB. But a better setup doesn't magically give better aim. Some gamers upgrade their setup when they should upgrade their skills. This one hurts because people remember the best memories, not the loading screens, not the bugs, not the frustrating missions. You remember staying up late, rushing home from school, playing with friends, and nostalgia is powerful. Maybe we don't miss old games, maybe we miss old moments. So maybe gaming didn't get worse, maybe some of our beliefs never changed. And now I'm curious, which one actually got you? Be honest.